Hey, welcome back, and this is obviously a speed drawing, and this is just something that I recorded, while there's other things going on around the house, and I'm just able to sketch, without doing the audio, obviously because of all the noise around it. But I thought it was kind of cool, so I figure just do a little voiceover and show you guys what I was trying to do here. So I've been trying to do a lot of these quick little sketches, and I believe I'm using a 10B here, so it's pretty dark. But the way of sketching for this is you just kind of start sketching and shading, trying to get the values correct on the first try, and then you just kind of go from there. So as opposed to drawing reference lines and trying to space things out beforehand. I'm trying to do the drawing and the shading at the same time, and I see a lot of professionals do it, and they do it so well. It just kind of really motivated me to try to do that as well. So in terms of technique here, it's slightly different from what I used to draw, and I guess that's a good thing. You always want to try different things. So here I'm just sketching and shading at the same time, and this is 200 speed, so just double, not too fast. And yeah, it really is a lot of fun, and I'll make a more detailed video next time as I'm drawing and really talk about it. But I am still kind of learning how to do this, and I have seen a lot of improvements, and I think I'm kind of close to getting ready to actually show you what I'm doing. Hopefully, I'll have a little bit more coherent method that I can share with you guys and make it easier for you guys as well. But this is actually a lot of fun to draw, and the shading part is fun. And the one thing about this is, and you can see it here, the eyeball is actually a little bit too high, and I'll end up by erasing. Because I am sketching like this, there's not a lot of, you're more prone to errors, so it really forces me to slow down and try to read the, where the placement are, for all the elements. And I think it's a good thing because I do see myself getting a little bit more accurate when I sketch. So I think just the sheer amount of practice I am getting with this is actually very good. So right here I just adjust the eyes, and pretty much the same thing. I'm just kind of sketch all the way, and toward the end, I will come back and fix up some of the areas, and that's because I'm not able to get it in the first try. So that's all it is. The more accurate I can get it the first try, the simpler the strokes are, and I think the more professional it looks, and that's kind of what I'm striving for. I'm not there yet, obviously, but it's, I am learning a lot, so this has been a lot of fun to draw. Okay, so hopefully in the near future I'll be able to have a full tutorial on this kind of sketching and really talk about the process a little bit more. But for now, for this one, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it's actually fun to watch, and it's not too long. So all right, I'll see you guys next time.